Dear students, in this chapter set, we have already learnt about roster form of a set builder form of a set, cardinal numbers, types of set, union and intersection of set, and in the previous discussion, we have already learnt about complement of sets, right? So now your new topic is difference of set, or you can say that A minus B or B minus A, right? So now, today we will learn about how to find the difference of two or more given sets. But before starting our topic, we will talk about or we will understand about the exact meaning of difference of sets. So here, let us suppose we have taken two sets named as A and B, right? So now what definition says that difference of sets means set of all elements that belongs to set A, not to set B. That means we will talk about only set A element, not about set B element. Clear? Next is, or we can also say that set of all elements that belongs to only set A. You can see that I have underlined also only set A. Is that clear? Next is how we can write this. The question is how we can write the difference of sets. So it can be symbolized as A minus B or B minus A. Now what does it mean A minus B or B minus A? Because we are finding the difference of two sets, right? So here A minus B means only A set, right? Similarly B minus A means only B set. Clear? So now we will take an easy example to understand this question in a better way. So let's take an example with both these two sets, right? So here we have taken A set and B set. A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B set as 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, right? Now what to do here? We need to find first part is A minus B and second is B minus A. That means we need to find the difference between these two sets. Clear? So now move on to the first step. Your first step is we need to find the difference between A and B, right? So first of all, you will write here A minus B because from above you can understand that we have whenever we need to find a difference, we need to write here A minus B or B minus A, whatever they have asked. So in the first part, they have asked to solve for A minus B. So we will write here A minus B. Now what is A? You will write here all elements of A from the given question and minus you will write all the elements of B set. Clear? So now from the definition, we will see that what to do in the next step. Set of all elements that belongs to only set A. Set of all elements that belongs to only set A. That means if we are talking about A minus B. And what is only set A? Only set A means A minus B, right? So here we have written A minus B and that means only A. So we will see the elements of only A, right? So now you can see that some of the elements are similar in both these two sets. You can see here. Here 2 is in A set as well as in B set. But we need to talk about only A set. So we will cut down both these elements from these sets, right? Next is 4. 4 you can also see that in this both these sets. So you will cut down all these sets, all these elements, right? Next is 6. You can see that again 6 is in A set as well as in B set. So you will cut down both these elements, right? Now you can see that here 9 and 12 is left. These two elements are left in B set. But we are talking about A minus B set, right? So that means only A set. We will not talk about this set, B set. So you will see that what is left in A set only. So now what is left? 1, 3, 5. So you will write here in the curly bracket along with commas 1, 3, 5. So this is the difference of both these sets. That means A minus B, right? So next, second part. Second part is B minus A. Now what is B minus A means? B minus A means only B, right? So now again, you will write here all the elements of B minus all the elements of A. Again, we need to talk about only B set. So you will see whichever the similar elements in both these sets, we will cut them down, right? So now by cutting the similar elements from both these sets, we will left with 9 and 12, which is in B set only, right? So this is your difference of B and A set. Is that clear? So next we will take another example. So now this is example number 2. Here we have taken these 3 sets altogether, right? We have discussed about in the beginning difference of set, that how to find a difference of 2 or more sets, right? So here we have taken 2 sets. Now we are taking here 3 sets altogether, right? Now here 3 sets are given, A, B, C, and in alphabet elements are there, right? So now what to do with these 3 sets? Here we need to find the difference between A and B, between B and C, and between C and A. Or you can say that we need to find A minus B, B minus C, or C minus A. Clear? So next we will start our question. So moving to the first step, we need to find A minus B. Previously we have done this question. A minus B means what? Means what? Yes, you know, that is only A. We will talk about only A set, right? So you will write all the elements of set A minus all the elements of B. Now you can see that A is there in the A set, also in the B set. So you will cut it. Next is B set. B element is in A set as well as in B set. So you will cut them again. Next, F is in A set but not in B set. Again, G is in A set but not in B set. So you are left with now F and G only, right? So you will write them in a curly bracket along with commas like F comma G. So this is your difference of 2 sets, that is A minus B, right? So next we need to find here B minus C. So next is B minus C. You will write here all the elements of B and minus all the elements of C. Again you will see that whichever the similar elements in both these sets, you will cut them down. So you can see that I have already cut here B, E and H. Here also B, E and H from both this set, right? So now we are left with what? A and C, which is present in B set only, right? So here A and C are what? Difference of B and C set. Clear? So now last is C minus A. Now we have already done about A and B set. A minus B and B minus C. What does it mean now, C minus A? Yes, you know, C minus A means what? Only A? No, only C. Yes, you are thinking right. C minus A means only C. Whichever the element, whichever the set we will write at the first. So you will take that only element, only set. C minus A means only C set, right? So here you will write all the elements of C from above, right? B comma E comma F comma H minus A comma B comma F comma G. So now you will see that B is in first bracket or in C set. B is also present in A set. So you will cut them. Next, E is there in C set but not in A set. So you will leave it as it is. Next is F. Now F is in C set as well as in A set. So you will cut them. Next is H. H is in C set but not in A set. So you will cut all the similar elements which are present in both this set, C and A. So now you are left with the element E and H which are present in only C element, right? So now E and H will be your difference of these two sets. Clear? So now this was a very simple example by which you can solve many more questions related to this example and the previous example, in which 2 set or the 3 set will be given to you or many more, and you can find the difference between the given 2 sets or more set easily, right? So students, now I hope now all of you are able to do the related worksheet that have already been sent to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.